talking problem. We all know problem. All my, I thought the world I travel, everyone will talk about the problem. But I always ask them, give me the solution. So World Hindu Economic Forum is an initiative to meet the challenge, to find the solutions. Coming to the one person mentioned, Professor Janaiya mentioned about this threat from the agriculture side and Western threat. You know, I was very young engineer when I passed out in the 85. And you know that I am very much aware from that day. You know, when 1986, Arthur Dunkel presented Dunkel draft in the Punta del Este, 8th round, that was 8th round at Punta del Este. That was a negotiation on the GATT, General Agreement Trade. And you know that he presented the idea of trade related property rights, related measures, services, and then that draft was not accepted in the GATT. And finally, it was accepted, become part of discussion, then it become final text. You know that WTO came. This is how it happened. This is a big threat. But how we are going to meet the challenge? Again, I will tell you. I always tell our people. You have no right to criticize your enemy. You have no right to criticize your enemy. They are your enemy. They have all right to destroy us because they are our enemy. How we are going to beat them in their game plan, that is in our hand. So that we have to plan. So coming to the Agri Forum, we are fully aware of this, and there is no need to create another forum. Economy world is very much proper. In this economy, we will create agriculture forum, Agri Forum, and we have a process in that. We have really starting on the forum of this, Ayurveda. So we will include the agriculture forum. And there we will need all your scientist support. How to again build our extent and challenge the challenges. Coming to the incubation center, this is very much part of this. World Hindu Economic Forum, one of the main ideas is to promote enterprise entrepreneurship, and this will not happen without incubation. So I am working with the second our forum is Hindu Education Board. I am working with all the private universities, not with the government university, because government university you need a lot of bureaucracy. So now what is happening in the Bharat is 85% universities are private. And I always tell our people in America, out of the top 10 university, only one is government, all are private. So how to make our private university world class? So I am working with them through World Hindu Education Board. You'll be surprised during the World Hindu Congress. All the top university came, from the south you have VIT Vellore, from the Symbiosis, MIT, Sarda, and all the universities. So I am working with them. So how to inculcate the entrepreneurship among the youth, the students. Otherwise, again, we are going to be failing society. We are creating an unproductive, talent. So how to make our talent productive? So already we are working. So first is the economy, and then we are working on education. Because if we ignore education, then we are nowhere. Because they are by nature, by virtue of their age, they are going to be the future. So we have to save the future. Third, we are working with the women. They are the 50% of our society. If we constructively engage them, they will be very, very productive, not to protect our economy, education, to protect the whole civilization. Full civilization. So that is the third initiative we are working. Fourth is a media. Because media is very powerful tools in the world. I always tell one who control the communication, control the mind of the people. But we Hindus have ignored this instrument, but now we have to be master of this instrument in the 21st century. So we are working on this area. And fifth is we have economy, education, women, youth. Already we are working with it. We have a Hindu students youth network throughout the world. Throughout the world, we have a Hindu student youth network across from America to Fiji, and we are developing 21st century leadership. Sometimes you will meet them, interact with them. They are sometimes better than our students here in Bharat. I have trained them in such a way because why I am telling you, I was in the Millennium Summit. Just I was discussing during the break time. I was in the Millennium Summit in 2000. I was the youngest delegate, and the presentation in the World Forum was from the Jews were very smart, Christians were also smart, Muslims were a little smart but not that smart, and we were very, very poor. We Hindu and Buddhists were very, very poor. So I was very angry. I went to the Swami Dayananda Saraswati, who was leader of that our delegation. I told, look, Swami, what is happening in this World Forum? How the Jews, Christians are presenting themselves and we are doing Katha. Do you know the Katha? So Swamiji was very honest. He told me, look, they are used to what to talk, what not to talk. And they are used to where to present and how to present. So they are smart, they are doing this. And we are used to do Katha, therefore we are doing Katha. So from that onward I thought, let's train the youth. So we are working with the youth. And sixth forum we are working to again is a Hindu organization, you know. Many across the country, throughout the world, Hindu organization different from either your temple, either your society, your trust, community organization. They are doing wonderful work. You see, I went to one Sri Sailam. You see how many dharmasala and charity institution is built by the community. So these are the traditional strength of Hindu society. And my idea is without diluting their strength, bring them to a common platform and recognize their strength. And if we can do that here in Bharat, we will be at a great level, we can unite the society. And we have done outside Bharat. We have started working in Bharat. And seventh is the politics, you know. Arvind Rao mentioned without politics, nothing happens. Politics is very, very important thing, you know. There is a saying in the Mahabharata, Sarve Vidya Aradharme Shukta, Sarve Loka Aradharme Spurishta, Sarve Dharma Aradharme Pradhanayata, Sarve Pada Hasti Padeni Magna. This is the word not of me. This is from the Bhishma Pitama to the Yudhishthira. Politics is intertwined with all the knowledge of the world. Without the knowledge of politics, all the knowledge are incomplete. Politics has entered in all the loka, Swarga Loka, Bhuloka and Patal Loka. No place is without the politics. So politics dominate everything. So we have to become master of the politics. So not to do all the dirty politics, the corruption, all the things. That I am not talking about. You know, real that is known as a politics, understanding of the politics. You know, how you lead the society, how you serve the society, and protect the interest of the society. So the whole process of the World Hindu Congress is that to work on the strategic area of the Hindu society and build and develop, organize an infrastructure in a strategic area to take the community forward in the 21st century. Namaste.
Swamiji, in fact, I am also very thankful to you personally because I am a media man. For years when I was reporting, I worked at various places including Delhi, and 26 years I served in our group. And now, of course, I still have worked for the government media. Thank you very much. You have mentioned about the professional media. But media is an excellent weapon, provided you know how to nurture it, how to handle it. So most of the people, they fail to understand and handle carefully. Thank you very much for mentioning about the media, sir. Now Mr. Srinivas Saraju of Mantra College, Mantra Group of College, he will thank all of us. We know who is going to thank, how he is going to think. Let's listen to him.
Wow, so much of energy, empowerment. Yes, literally everyone present here feels personally empowered with Pujya Swamiji's insight, and the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. Yes, we are all blessed being Hindu and being part of this August Forum. I think there is a definite need for standing applause for taking great initiative by Madam Shashi, who took initiative and they forced everyone to work and commenced the women forum of our Hindu wing. So I think I request everyone present here to give a standing applause for the women forum being commenced today. And under the able guidance of Pujya Swami Vijnanand Ji and the able guidance of our regional forum coordinator, Mr. B.S.N. Kumar. Yes, we are all here and blessed with so much of insights. We thank each and every one present here and who could not, they wanted to come and their time doesn't permit, to be with us. And we thank each and every one. And I think this is high time for us to shut our curtains for temporarily, and we need to keep meeting each other and share so many things and help each other. Thank you one and all. Thank you. Thank you very much.